and domestic fossil fuels have been in many debates for many years. Today, we will be talking about why renewable energy is a better alternative than domestic fossil fuels. Renewable energy is generally defined as energy that comes from resources that are continually replenished, such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and even geothermal heat. Fossil fuels are resources such as oil, coal, and natural gas. All three of these have been around for hundreds of millions of years, even before the times of dinosaurs, hence the name fossil fuels. Should the U.S. focus more on renewable energy or domestic fossil fuels to meet its energy needs? I believe that renewable energy is a much better alternative for several reasons. The first being that it is much better for the environment, and the second being that we will eventually run out of fossil fuels, but not renewable energy. In the future, this could be a very important subject, especially because the number of fossil fuels is running out at an accelerated rate. The first reason why I think that renewable energy is a better alternative is that it is better for the environment. In 1983, in the article, Renewable Energy, Staten Miller says that there are three things that will decide renewable energy's fate. The first is where and when it will be available. The second, the cost, and the third is the most important, the environmental effects. Scientists say that renewable energy is much better for the environment and that fossil fuels are actually very harmful and in the future could cause global warming. In the article, Optimization and a Comparison Between Renewable and Non-Renewable Energy, posted in April of 2012, George K. Mann states that the renewable energy-based system is one of the better solutions to reduce some of the environmental pollution. Not only is renewable energy better for the environment, but it also can give energy to remotely located areas. The second reason why I think that renewable energy is a better alternative than fossil fuels is that it will not run out like fossil fuels will. In the article, Is There an Optimum Level of Renewable Energy?, posted in May of 2011, Patrick Mottry and Damon Henry say that continued heavy use of fossil fuels will lead to both global climate change and a heavy resource depletion of easily accessible fossil fuels. Scientists have calculated the depletion rate of many resources, and they calculated at the current depletion rate that all oil will deplete within 100 years and that all natural gas will deplete within 166 years. Some scientists think that because of the growing population rate and development, that the rate of depletion will increase, and they say that all oil could be completely depleted by the year of 2050. Because of this, I think that renewable energy is a much better alternative than domestic fossil fuels for many reasons, including that it is much better for the environment and that we will not run out of it like we will fossil fuels. Renewable energy is a lot safer and it is much more economically friendly. And this is why we should start to consider using this in the future.